All right, cool. Debugging with Assertions. So this is where we are right now, and we want to understand what this means. So what does it mean debugging with Assertions? So far, we came to learn what Assertions and preconditions are, and with the little information that we have, we reasoned that this can be some form of data validation. So now let's continue to see how this works. You write an assertion by calling the asset function from the Swift standard library. You pass this function an expression that evaluates to true or false and a message to display if the result of the condition is false. For example, let age is equal to 3. Asset age is equal to, okay, let's write it down so that we can familiarize ourselves with it. Now, when I'm here, okay, cool. So, how did we start to begin with? You write an asset by calling the asset function from the Swift library. So now the question that comes to my mind is that because we know here we have import UI kit, but then now can I just say this? Okay, that's fine. So now what is the condition here? Let's say var my age 26. If my age is less or equal to 30, still a young man. Cool. Now can I print this? I don't know how this is gonna work. Because we can see we still have. How do I print this now? This assertion fails because 3 isn't greater than 0. Let's see. Is my age less than or equal to 30? It's true. Okay. Is my age greater or equal to 30? So now since it's a false, let's see. Assertion failed, still a young man. So what I'm learning here is that the statement within this assertion is only going to execute if the initial statement or the statement evaluates to false. So in other words, assertion is if statement is false, then show message. That's what comes to my mind. Obviously we show the message here, but then probably we can put a function in here. Let's try with a function func. Let's just call it message. Then we just say print. Should I say var? Still, oh, I can make it a return. Let me just say return still a young man. Cool. I don't know if I'm correct with the syntax or not. So basically I wanted to return. Oh, okay, let me remove this. Okay, I'm getting something wrong here. I don't know what I'm getting wrong. Alright, it's fine. For some reason, I'm struggling to write down my function here, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. So where are we? Okay, so since we know it can take a function, then you can just say this then. Message still a young man. Oh, cool. Let's see. Execution was interrupted. The process been left at point where it was interrupted. Use thread return X. Okay, I think we're done with this. Okay, cool. So it worked. It said still a young man. Cool, so it works. It says assertion failed. Okay. Return thread return 2. Did we get this error before? Okay, it appears we still have the same error here, but I don't know why it's there though. But no, it's fine. So we're able to test this, and we're able to come to learn that an assertion is if the statement is false, then show message, or then show message or run statement. But then when it's true, it appears that it doesn't do any of those things. For example, it didn't execute this thing here, so it only executes when the statement yields false. Power. Okay, in this example, code execution continues if age is greater than 0. Evaluates to true. That is, if age is non-negative, if the value is negative, as in the code above, then age is greater or equal to 0, evaluates to false, and the assertion fails, terminating the application. You can omit the assertion, for example, when it will just repeat the condition as prose. If the current code already checks the condition, you use the assertion failure function to indicate that the assertion has failed. For example, if age is greater than 10, print you can ride the roller coaster of the Ferris wheel. If age is greater than 0, you can ride the Ferris wheel. Else, assertion failure. A person's age can't be less than 0. Okay, I see. Well, that is provided they entered the wrong value, or they entered a value that is below what was needed. So then what if age is a string? Interesting point. Okay, cool. So we're gonna end it here with assertions and debugging with assertions. We're gonna end it here for now, and we're gonna move to enforcing preconditions, and that'll be the end of the basics course. Pretty much the whole page here we did it. All right, cool. Cheers everyone.